The science behind Bruce Lee's incredible speed and power. When we think about Bruce Lee, one word comes to mind: unmatched. He wasn't just a martial artist or an actor, he was a living phenomenon, someone who redefined what the human body could do. His speed and power continue to leave fans, scientists, and athletes amazed even decades after his passing. But what was the secret behind Bruce Lee's incredible abilities? Was it genetics, relentless training, or something deeper rooted in science? Let's break down the science behind Bruce Lee's legendary speed and explosive power. 1. The myth of superhuman speed. People often say Bruce Lee was too fast for the camera. That wasn't an exaggeration. In early Hollywood shoots, his punches and kicks were so quick that traditional cameras couldn't capture them clearly. Directors had to ask him to slow down so audiences could actually see what he was doing. So how fast was he really? Bruce Lee could throw a punch from just 1 inch away. The famous 1-inch punch, and knock a full-grown man backward with shocking force. He could deliver 6 punches per second in training. His kicks could travel at speeds of over 100 miles per hour, measured in some demonstrations. But this wasn't just movie magic. It was biomechanics and physics working together at their peak. 2. The science of reaction time. Bruce Lee trained his body and brain to react almost instantly. Reaction time in humans normally averages around 0.25 seconds. That might not sound like much, but in combat, it's the difference between getting hit and landing a strike. Lee reportedly had a reaction time closer to 0.18 seconds, significantly faster than most athletes. How did he achieve this? Neurological training. He practiced repetitive drills so often that his movements became automatic. By doing this, he rewired his nervous system to react without hesitation. Visual perception. Lee sharpened his eyesight and awareness through sparring and focus exercises. He could pick up on the slightest twitch of an opponent's shoulder, predicting their next move before they threw it. Mental calmness. A still mind reacts faster. Through meditation and philosophy, Lee eliminated unnecessary hesitation, allowing his body to move freely without overthinking. In other words, Bruce Lee was a master at connecting mind and body to reduce the delay between thought and action. 3. Explosive power, the physics behind it. Bruce Lee wasn't the biggest man on screen. Standing at about 5 feet 7 inches and 135 pounds, he didn't look like a bodybuilder. Yet his strikes had the power of someone twice his size. That's because he understood the science of force better than anyone. In physics, force equals mass times acceleration. Since Lee didn't have a lot of mass, he maximized acceleration. His strikes weren't about muscle bulk but about how quickly he could generate speed and transfer energy into his opponent. Techniques he used. Kinetic linking. Every strike started from his feet.